Hey roses. There is nothing more annoying than waking up to a surprise pimple. Like, who invited it? And don't even get me started on those painful under-the-skin bumps it comes with. But don't worry, I got you. 'Cause we're about to kick acne to the curb and get that clear glowing skin you've been dreaming of. And no, I'm not talking about some complicated 10-step routine that takes hours. I'm talking about simple and effective tips that even your lazy girl self will love. So grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's glow up together. 1. Know your skin type. First things first, babe. You can't fight acne if you don't know your skin type. There are 4 different skin types: oily, dry, combination, and sensitive. Knowing this is like knowing exactly what your skin loves without compromising it. Grab a gentle cleanser, wash your face, and don't apply anything for an hour. If your skin feels tight, you're a dry skin. If it's shiny, you're oily. But if it's both, you're combination. And if it's red and irritated, you're sensitive. Do you get it? 2. Cleanse twice. Listen, if you're not cleansing your face twice a day, morning and night, what are you even doing? Use a gentle cleanser that doesn't strip your skin of its naturals. Use anything with salicylic acid or tea tree oil for acne-prone skin. And please, for the love of clear skin, stop using bar soap on your face. That's criminal and not very kind to your skin. 3. Exfoliate your face. Exfoliating is like giving your skin a fresh start. It removes dead skin cells and unclogs pores. But don't go scrubbing like you're sandpapering a table. Use a chemical exfoliant like glycolic acid or lactic acid 2 to 3 times a week. Physical scrubs? Only if they're gentle and used sparingly. Over-exfoliating equals irritated skin, which equals more acne. And we don't want that now, do we? 4. Moisturize, even if you're oily. Here's a skincare myth we need to bust. Oily skin doesn't need moisturizer. Skipping moisturizer can actually make your skin produce more oil. Use a lightweight moisturizer that won't clog your pores. Hydrated skin equals happy skin. 5. Apple cider vinegar. Dilute apple cider vinegar with water and dab it on your spots. It balances your pH and fights bacteria. 6. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. UV rays are not your friend, babe. They darken acne scars and damage your skin. Use a broad-spectrum SPF 30+ every single day, even if it's cloudy. And no, your foundation with SPF doesn't count. Layer up that sunscreen like your future clear skin depends on it. 7. Hands off your face. Your hands are like a bacteria party, and your face is not invited. Stop touching, picking, or popping your pimples. It only spreads the bacteria and makes things worse. If you're a chronic picker, get some pimple patches. They're cute, effective, and keep your hands busy. 8. Hydration is life. Your skin is always thirsty, and no, I'm not talking about that drink you're holding now. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Hydrated skin equals fewer breakouts. And add some lemon or cucumber for extra glowing and clearer skin. 9. Ditch the heavy makeup. I get it, makeup makes you look prettier. But heavy foundations and powders can clog your pores. Try using mineral-based makeup instead. And always remove your makeup before bed. Sleeping in makeup is a one-way ticket to Acne City. 10. Pillowcase hygiene. Your pillowcase is a breeding ground for dirt and bacteria. Change it at least once a week, or use a clean towel over it. Silk pillowcases are also amazing. They're gentle on your skin and reduce friction on your hair. 11. Spot treatment. When a pimple pops up, rude, hit it with a spot treatment. Look for ingredients like benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, or tea tree oil. Apply it directly to the pimple and let it work its magic overnight, so you wake up with less drama. 12. Eat your clear skin. Junk food equals junk skin. Load up on fruits, veggies, and foods rich in omega-3s like salmon and walnuts. Avoid sugary snacks and dairy if they trigger your acne. 13. Stress less, glow more. Stress equals acne. It's science. Practice self-care, whether it's yoga, meditation, or binge watching your favorite show. Your skin will thank you. 14. Use a toner. Toners restore your skin's pH balance and prep it for moisturizer. Use an alcohol-free toner with soothing ingredients like rose water or witch hazel. It's like a reset button for your skin. 15. Sheet masks for the glow. Sheet masks are like a spa day for your skin. Use one once a week to hydrate and soothe your skin. Plus, they make for the cutest selfies. Win-win. 16. Retinoids are your BFF. Retinoids are the MVP of skincare. They unclog pores, reduce acne, and even fight wrinkles. Start with a low concentration and use it at night. And don't forget sunscreen during the day. Retinoids make your skin more sensitive to the sun. 17. Ice that pimple. Cool it down. Got an angry red pimple? Wrap an ice cube in a cloth and hold it on the spot for a few minutes, or better still, dip your face in an ice bowl. This reduces redness, puffiness, tightens your skin pores, and makes you glow instantly. 18. Aloe vera magic. Aloe vera is a miracle worker. It soothes irritated skin, reduces redness, and speeds up the healing process. Use pure aloe vera gel as a moisturizer and your skin will feel so calm and happy. 19. Don't pop that pimple. Okay, I know it's tempting. That pimple is just sitting there, begging to be popped. But resist the urge. Popping pimples can push bacteria deeper into your skin, cause scarring, and even lead to more breakouts. Instead, use a pimple patch or spot treatment. 20. Honey mask. Honey is a natural antibacterial, and it heals acne fast. Apply it as a 15-minute mask and watch your skin turn glowy. 21. Green tea rinse. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and fight acne. Drink it or use it as a facial rinse for a calming effect on your skin. Brew green tea, let it cool, and rinse your face with it. The antioxidants calm redness and give you clear skin. 22. Get enough sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, so aim for 7 to 9 hours a night. Not getting enough sleep can lead to breakouts and dull skin. So, put down your phone and get some rest, babe. 23. Clean your phone screen. Your phone screen is a bacteria hotspot. Clean it regularly with a disinfectant wipe to prevent transferring germs to your face when you make calls. Your skin will thank you. 24. Be patient. Clear skin doesn't happen overnight. Stick to your routine and give it time. Consistency is key, babe. Trust the process. 25. Love your skin. Last but not least, love your skin, flaws and all. Acne doesn't define you. You're beautiful, period. Take care of your skin because you deserve it, not because you're trying to fix yourself. Confidence is the best glow-up hack of all. And there you have it. Gorgeous. Fast, simple, and effective ways to get rid of acne and get that clear, glowing skin you've been dreaming of. Remember, skincare is self-care, and you deserve to feel amazing in your own skin. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more glow-up tips. Now go out there and slay.